from furniture to autos to clothes and home appliances, supply disruptions are now showing that turning the lights back on in the U.S. economy won't be as easy as just flipping the switch. I want to get over straight to Steve Leisman, who's been spending a lot of time thinking about what that switch looks like and what it means. Steve.
Yeah, Andrew, big change from the days before the pandemic when it was all about technology and lean supply chains. Now supply disruptions showing up in a range of industries, highlighting the challenge the U.S. economy and companies face in getting back to normal and possibly hitting consumers in the months ahead. You can see here clothing, furniture, RVs, appliances, cars, and exercise equipment. They're among the products where manufacturers say they're having trouble because of these supply disruptions. The disruptions come from port congestion, difficulty obtaining raw materials, and trouble bringing workers back, along with the uneven pace of recovery in different countries and industries. It could mean lower growth for some companies and higher prices for consumers. The Gap saying in its earnings call, quote, air costs were incurred in the quarter to navigate the port delays. Tesla saying, quote, we're working extremely hard to manage through the global semiconductor shortage. And Whirlpool, well, they put it all together, citing all the factors. You have absenteeism in factories, you have labor shortages, you have component shortages, and we have transportation bottlenecks. These companies are not isolated. The National Association of Manufacturers said yesterday about 50% of respondents to its first quarter survey reported trouble with supply disruptions. And that's among a host of related issues like transportation problems, finding quality workers, and rising raw material costs. NAM said that manufacturers overall plan to raise prices a record 3.9%. But those with supply disruptions, they plan even bigger price hikes. The good news, Chad Motre, chief economist for NAM, tells me supply disruptions likely to be temporary. In the meantime, they could show up in the inflation numbers in the months ahead for consumers and in the earnings numbers for companies.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.